Hi, welcome back. Just a quick recap. In previous video, we created a storage account. So let's quickly see how to create that storage account. So, so from here, just click on create, and you need to just provide the all required information, and just click on view and create. You can create that storage account. So in previous video, we just created account. Now in this video, we can see how we will see how to upload files and all. So let's quickly check. So all resources whatever you created, that would be available under resource. So click on here, which is previously I just created a demo storage account. Now this storage account is available, where you can see blob services and file, table, queues. So all different type of services available. So in blob services, I just created a container. So if you want to create a new container, just click on here, just provide the name and access type. You can create a new container. Now suppose you need to store some file, you need to upload some image or any file. So click on here, upload, and you can select some file. Let me select that file from here. This is sample file which I uploaded here. Now if you click on this file, you will get a URL. So based on that URL, you can access this file. Just copy this and paste it here. Now you can see this file is accessible, and be, like I created a demo storage account, and inside that we uploaded I just uploaded a sample file one. So by this URL over the HTTPS, you can access your file. Hence this is public, access is enabled, so I'm able to access this file. But if you change the access, you can make it private, or based on credential you can also access this. So let's upload one more file, that is image type. Now same process, just click here, copy the URL and just paste the URL. So you can see this uploaded image I am able to access in same manner as I accessed my sample file. So this is example of blob services, where you can upload your image file or anything. And now further going forward, if you want access these file from your desktop, so you have to download one tool, Azure Storage Explorer tool. So URL is given here. Just download this tool and install that setup on your machine. Thank you for watching this video, and learning is ongoing process, guys, so keep learning. I may not perfect, but I wish to help people, and definitely whatever I knew. And if you have any questions, any query on that, you please do not hesitate. Just drop me a message. We can connect one to one, and my contact detail is here. And also please like, subscribe, and do not forget to press on the bell icon, so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks.